Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Excellence. In this series of lectures, we are trying to explore the Salesforce platform. Okay, if you want these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and share with your friends, and don't forget to comment. Okay, in today's session, we are going to see how to configure the page layouts in Salesforce. On the screen, which is visible to you, you can see some kind of user interface type of image is available. This is to make you understand what is the purpose of a page layout in Salesforce. Basically, page layout is used to control the user interface or to handle the behavior of the appearance. Okay, so let us try to understand it more with some example. Okay, so basically, what is a page layout? It is a framework in Salesforce which is used or which is related to the presentation of fields, related list, and so many other things. Okay, it will determine or it will decide which fields need to be visible on the object record page. Okay, and furthermore, what we can control by using page layout, like which fields need to be visible on the page. See here, we are talking about object record page. What is object record page? Whenever you go to any app, it can be standard app like sales and service or any other custom app. Already you have seen, you might have created your own. Any app, once we create, we'll associate that app to any particular tab which is related to an object. Yes or no? So similarly, once you click on the tab, an object is related to that object page will come, and then there you can see the number of records, and then once you click on the record, a record page will be appear to you with the fields available. So here we are talking about that appearance. We can control by using page layout. The number of columns to be displayed on that, and whatever the options or fields which are displayed, how to control the order, and can we divide that into different sections. All those changes we can make by using page layout. Okay, so don't waste our time. Maybe you are getting confused. Let us move to the application to make it clear to you. Okay, so now I am on the Salesforce application. So to go to any object, one more way is click on the app launcher, that is 9 dots, type your object name. If there is tab associated with that, automatically that will open. So there is one record available. I'm clicking on that record. You can see these are the different fields which are available on this object. What is the name of the object? Book. Okay. So book name, publisher, all these are fields which are related to that book. Okay. These fields will store the information related to that book. Clear? What is the name, book name, who is the publisher, who is the author, everything. Okay. Now this appearance can be changed or altered or customized by using page layout. That is the purpose. Okay. Now you can ask me, sir, how to go to that page layout? Simple. You have seen already the object manager page, right? There itself you can see the page layout. So being on the record page, go to this setup button and click on the edit object. Okay. Once you click on that edit object, you will come here. Already you are well aware of this, right? Details of that object, fields and relationships. In the previous session you have seen. All these are different fields which are created. You can easily identify which is the standard field and which is the custom field. Yes or no? How to identify? If any standard field that will not contain underscore underscore C, if any field is there with underscore underscore C, that is a custom field. Okay, fine. Now below this fields and relationships section, you can see this one, page layout. This is what we are discussing in today's session. Click on that, and if whenever any object is created, Salesforce by default will create one page layout. Okay, we don't create anything. Okay, so click on this book layout. Now you can see these are the different options which are available: fields, buttons, quick actions. So as of now, you don't have to worry about all these things. Basic things we will discuss. Okay, first we'll start with fields. Okay, so once you click on the fields, scroll down. In the information section, you can see here all the fields related to that particular object. Okay, so now from here we can control the appearance of this record page. Got it? So from here I can control this appearance. How to do that? Let us see. For example, you can see book name, publisher, publication date, all these fields are there. Now, actually those fields are available here. Okay, now you can see the same fields here which are disabled. Why these are disabled? Because already they are available here. If I don't want to show these fields on the record page, what I can do? Place your cursor and then click there, drag and drop here in this section. Publisher, remove it. Publication date, remove that. Language, I don't want. Author, put it there. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fields are visible. Now I'll click on quick save. Now it should reflect here. Now you have to refresh this page. Clear? See here. Now earlier more fields you have seen. Now only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. Only 5 fields are visible here. Now you might you got some understanding, I believe, that how that page layout will help you. Yes or no? Right. So here now I have not deleted those fields. Simply I have hide those fields from appearing here. Okay. Now again, if I want those fields, again I can click here. I'll just simply drag and drop those fields. Publisher and order also I can decide with this page layout. Wherever you want, just put it there. You can see that line. Just leave that. Drag and drop. Language. Okay. In this way, we can make any field to appear or hide on the record page with the help of this page layout. Okay. Not just this one, we can do so many other things. Right. Now, one more thing is, you can see once you place your cursor here, you can see two options available. One is remove. I can remove that field, or you can go to this wrench icon. You can click on the properties. There you can see two options are available. Two checkboxes you can see: read only and required. What is the meaning of this one? If you click on read only, what will happen? You cannot do any kind of changes to that field value. It becomes read only. Okay. So this we'll try to understand more in the coming classes. As of now, once you click on generally edit, you can change the values there. But if you change the property here, you cannot do any changes. That will become read only. Similarly, if you click on required, then what will happen? You must provide a value to that particular field to save the record. Okay. Without giving any value, if you are trying to save the record, it will not allow you to save it. Understand? So you can explore this one, change this one, and you try to provide create a new record, try to provide the values and see how it will, reflect. Right. So explore these properties by yourself. Don't click on this remove button. You can experiment with these properties. Okay. So once we have seen the fields, how to change the order and how to make a field visible and how to hide a field. Other than this, what we can do, we can create a separate sections based on the field type. For example, you can see here, just refresh. You should get all the fields again. Just a second, you have not saved here. Okay, once you're done, you have to save and then refresh. Got it? Now you can see this is not properly organized. You want to make this record page well organized. Okay. For example, all the details related to basic details and then some other details. You want to divide this into two sections. Okay. How to do that? Click here. You can see section. Is it visible? So get this one. Click here and drop here. Now it will ask you to provide the name of that section. What I can say, I'll give some name. All these things you do on your own. Okay. Basic details, provide the name, and then this section display on the detail page as well as edit page. And the layout, I'm making it 2 column. It is by default. And tab key order left right. It means when you click on the tab, how the cursor will move from one field to another field, whether it in the from the left to right or top to bottom. Okay, it is by default. Now click on OK. Okay, basic details section is created. Now, whatever the fields that you want to be displayed in a separate section, put those fields here. Book name, author, and then you can say language, and then you can put it like this in this way. Okay, separate section name basic details. Now I will create one more section. I'll give a name called as publication details. Okay, I don't change anything. I'll keep it like this. The publication details, I'll put all this format. Then I just want it to be like this one in 2 rows. Okay, this way. Now you can see here I have divided these into different sections. Click save. Go to your page, refresh. Can you see now? Publication details. Okay, so separately, whatever the fields which are related to publication, all those fields are coming under this publication details section, and basic information related to that book like author, book name are coming under this basic details section. Okay, click on that. Okay, in this way you can logically arrange all the information under separate sections. Okay, so this is roughly I have done without any idea, but in an organized format you give some meaningful name and can divide the fields in that way. Okay, got it? Right. So here we have seen how to arrange the fields and how to create the sections. At the same time, if you go to the next one, buttons, click on the buttons. What are these buttons? You can see here, once you see the record page, all these things, new contact, edit, new case. Again, if you click on this drop down, you can see all these buttons, right? So these buttons, whether I can make them visible or shall I remove those buttons or make it, hide the buttons, that also can be controlled by using page layout. So let us try to see one small example. For example, what are these buttons? These are all standard buttons. Everywhere in Salesforce, you might observe two kinds of things are there, or two kinds of divisions are there. One is standard, another one is custom, right? Standard means Salesforce by default provides, and you can see here one more section, custom buttons. Custom means you can create. Okay, so because I have not created any custom button here, it is not appearing anything here. So standard buttons. Now I don't want this edit button. Okay, edit is okay. I don't want this delete button. You can see here. Click on this one, delete. You can see here. Delete is available here. Now I want to remove that from this page layout. How can I do? So click on this delete, select that one, and then take it here, drag and drop, quick save. And then go to your record page, refresh. Click here. Now, can you see here? That delete button is gone. Gone in the sense, we have not removed that permanently. Temporarily, we made it, we hide that button. Okay. Now, finally, what I want you to convey is whatever this is called as record page. Okay. So this record page can be controlled by using page layout. And one more thing I want to show you. Two tabs are there. One is the details tab, another one is related. If any other object is there related to this one and some other information we can see here in the related tab. This also can be controlled by using page layout. For example, you can see these three informations are available. I can add more. For example, scroll down, related list. Can you see this one? Click on that. The related list, files is not available here. Okay. Or I just want to remove this, or let us add these files also. Okay. File section. And then what is the importance of this? You will learn in the coming sessions. Okay. So files I have added. Click save. You have added or moved related list on this page layout. Do you want these changes to? Okay, yes. And then go to your record page, refresh. Related. Can you see here? Files is added in the related list. Okay. So these are the few options which we have explored due to lack of time, and you can see the remaining options also. And as and when as part of the application requirement or business requirement, whenever we need to discuss that, we will discuss in detail. Okay. So as of now, just try to explore it, make it more beautiful, and create some more sections, create some more fields related to your object, and try to explore all these options. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you want more information, if you want more details, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.